This cheesy French onion plait is so easy to make and it tastes great, and you can have it in the oven in less than 10 minutes. It uses a simple scone dough to which a packet of French onion soup's been added, and it's topped with a cheesy topping. It tastes great just with butter, or you can top it with anything you like, and it goes really well with a bowl of soup or stew. And it's so easy that even the kids like getting involved in this one, and this is how it goes. Into a bowl, add 1 packet of French onion soup mix, then sift in 2 cups of self-raising flour. If you haven't got self-raising flour, no worries. You can just use 2 cups of plain flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add a small pinch of cayenne pepper and then stir it just briefly to combine. Add 60 grams of butter cut into small pieces and rub it into the flour with your fingertips. Lift your hands as you rub to keep the flour light and let air in. Imagine you're coating every bit of flour with butter. Pour in 1 cup of milk. Stir gently with a butter knife until it's just combined. The dough will be sticky. Lightly flour your workbench and tip the dough onto it. Use a spatula to scrape out every bit. Form the dough into a ball and roughly divide it into 3 pieces. Roll each piece into a 20 centimetre log. Don't worry about being perfect, and overworking the dough can make it tough. Place the logs on a baking tray and pinch the top ends together. Plait the dough by crossing one log over the other until you reach the bottom, and then pinch the ends together to seal. In a small bowl, mix 1 cup of grated cheese with 1/3 cup of corn kernels. I'm a bit heavy-handed, so I added too much corn. If you do the same, don't worry, it just won't all stick to the dough. Pile the mixture onto the plate. Place in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius with a fan, or 200 without a fan. And bake for 30 minutes or until the plate has risen and turned golden brown. Let it cool for 5 minutes, then transfer it to a serving plate. When fresh, it's best to cut it into thick slices because it's a scone dough after all. It's tastiest on the day it's made, but it does reheat pretty good with a quick microwave burst the next day. This recipe's quickly become a favourite because it's just so easy and it's a little different. I can't really remember where I got this recipe. I think it was from an old continental soup cookbook. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.